BabyCro. Today we have an informative overview of 3-in-1 Concord Wanderer Travel Set multi-purpose stroller. Multipurposeness of this model is that by purchasing it, you get 3 types of modules for installation on the chassis at once. This is about the cradle, jogging block and car seat that are of 0+ group. Thus you will get an excellent kit for comfortable transportation of your baby for all occasions. Specifications of 3-in-1 Concord Wanderer Travel Set. There are 3 elements at once: the cradle, jogging block and car seat of 0+ group. The maximum permissible weight of the child is 15 kg. The cradle has 5-point safety belts that will protect your baby during the trip. They can be unfastened by pushing central red button. They can be adjusted. Press the round bulging button in front of the stroller to loosen them. To tighten them, use an extra belt under the handle and fasten the child securely. There are soft breast pads that are fixed to the belts with BabyCro. The same pads are made at the inguinal region. There is a soft removable mattress inside the cradle. You can easily remove its cover and wash. The soft pad inside the cradle is fixed to the bases due to special clips. You can remove and wash it if needed. There is also a pocket for little things inside the cradle that is fixed with BabyCro. There is a soft cover for cradle. It is fixed to the stroller on the zippers and will protect the baby from wind and cold. There is a canopy which can be a continuation of the cover and can be fixed to it by the buttons and become a canopy. The stroller also includes a summer cover, which will not create additional sultry air in the cradle, but will protect from the wind. The hood is large enough. It is fixed to the handle of the cradle on the zippers and is adjusted with it. To do this, press the button above the cradle and change the handle position to the desired one. The hood is equipped with a canopy for better protection from the sun. You can hide it under the hood. You can remove the hood completely by unfastening the zipper at the bases along the perimeter of the hood. The stroller basis is made of durable plastic. There is a good air ventilation due to the special holes in the stroller bases and special holes behind the cradle. You can close this ventilation by pushing the clamp near it. You can easily fix the cradle in your car. Stretch the safety belts through 2 clamps in the front and back of the cradle and fix it firmly. By the way, when the cradle is fixed to the stroller chassis, one can see a green indicator on the cradle clips. You can easily remove the cradle, just press the button under the cradle handle and raise it. You can install the jogging block instead of the cradle. It is easily fixed on fixation points in the stroller chassis. Five-point safety belts will protect your baby safely. You can unfasten them by pressing the big central button. You can also adjust them in length. Just change the position of the clips on the belts, thus fixing the baby safely. There are soft pads on safety belts. They are fixed to the belts with BabyCro. The seat is soft and large enough so that even the bumper will not interfere with seating the baby. You can remove the bumper if needed. You can pull it out from both sides by pressing the buttons on both its sides, but it takes some effort to do this. The bumper cover can be removed, since it is fixed on the zipper from the bottom. Moreover, if you unfasten the zipper on the bumper in the front, you can pull a light cover on the footrest from the pocket, which will protect the baby from the wind and in bad weather. It is fixed to the footrest with elastic. You can also fix it in the pocket on the BabyCro. The footrest is adjusted by pressing the buttons on both its sides. You can change its position to the most convenient. It has a metal frame. The seat backrest is adjustable. Press a special pedal from behind and lower the straps. You can turn its position by tightening the strap up. Behind the backrest, there is also a comfy pocket for necessary things. The hood can be adjusted with one hand. It consists of two sectors, large enough. You can also unfasten the zipper on the rear sector, fold a part of the hood back, and there will be a mesh for better air ventilation behind it. You can remove the hood at all if needed. It is fixed to the backrest from behind with Velcro. Remove the clips in the front and the hood bases. Press two buttons at the clips and raise the jogging block to take it off the chassis. You can easily install the car seat instead of the jogging block. One can see a green indicator on the fixation points if it is installed correctly. You can easily fix the cradle in your car thanks to the safety belts. Stretch them through the guides marked with other color. The child is fixed in the cradle with 5-point safety belts. They can be unfastened by pushing central red button. They are also adjusted. You can loosen the belts by pressing the button at the bottom of the seat, and to tighten them use an additional belt above the button at the bottom of the cradle to fix the baby securely. There are soft pads on safety belts and pad made at the inguinal region. There is a soft insert for the smallest babies. You can remove it completely. The headrest is adjusted in height. To do this, press the handle over the headrest and the button in the hole at the top of the headrest and choose the desired position. The hood is large enough. It can be adjusted by pressing two round gray buttons on the sides of the cradle at the bases of the handle and lowering it. You can put the handle up with one hand only. You can remove the hood completely. It is fixed to the seat with elastics. You can easily remove the car seat by pressing two buttons on its both sides. Wheels are rubber, not inflatable. Front wheels are smaller and swivel. You can lock them. Just turn them backwards and press the metal button in front. Press this button back to unlock them. The rear wheels are big and massive. The right wheel has a brake pedal. Press it to lock the wheels. Raise them up to unlock. The stroller is very passable and has an easy movement due to amortization. The handle is with a pleasant rubber insert, hands on which will not slip. It can be adjusted by pressing two buttons on the sides of the handle. You can fold the stroller chassis very easily. Press the side buttons on the chassis, pull the clamps, then lower the handle and use a belt in the middle of the stroller. Raise it until full folding. You can fix the clip, which is removed from the center of the handle on the stroller chassis, for compact design and to prevent stroller from unfolding. You can also unfold it very easily. Raise the stroller with the handle until full folding. The weight of the stroller is 14.9 kilograms. In general, 3-in-1 Concord Wanderer Travel Set is fully justified to be one of the most successful versatile options for parents and babies for all occasions. A convenient system of almost instantaneous replacement of blocks, absorbers, strong safety belts, and book folding system make the stroller the best option. You can find all the details about this model by following the links in the description below. Hopefully, this review was interesting and helpful to you. Subscribe to our channel and see you soon!